show you guys how to quickly prep up this onion really quick. Doesn't take much to do. So what that does is just you're gonna start slicing it down like this, okay? So see how easy it was to just chop that up? Afterward, you're gonna toss this into your pan, which should be hot enough right now. Is it getting to your eyes yet? Yeah? Sorry about that. Now we're gonna get ready for our next ingredient, which is going to be the squash. So, to get this really quick, prepped up really well, really fast, you're just gonna slice it down the middle. And you're just quickly just gonna dice it up. Just hold it like this. And as you dice, you're just pulling back, okay? Move your hand back. As you get better at it, you shouldn't be making that clanking sound. It should be really soft and diligent and really fast. Not the best at it yet. Sometimes it's good to use a knife. A lot of times squash is just water, so you don't have to worry too much about it being too high in calories. Thank you. All right, give this a stir. So some people, depending on how you want to cut it, what you're going to use it for, some people just come down to cut off the top, or they cut off the bottom, core it, lay it out like meat, as you would lay out meat, and just dice it like that, making strips. And just dice it. Just dice it. If you want to go back to chop it up more, it's totally up to you. Okay, just transfer it over. Okay. Start using the steam from the squash to start using that to start cooking the vegetables, okay? Now, you're just going to slice it like this. Kind of making rings. Careful with your fingers. And then you're just going to dice it up. It's faster, but maybe not nicer. So you're just going at it randomly. A little more nicer, a little more. Okay. Alright. Last one there again. Now, so you have red, orange, green, some red in there, some purple. So when you plant the corn, you want to plant the squash together. The vines spread out, and so when you're watering the corn and the squash together, they actually keep the soil moist longer. The other ingredient is that corn, though, takes away from the soil. So you need something to add back in, give it back nutrients. So that's where the beans come in. Beans kind of act the same way, they spread out as vines, but you can actually just leave the beans in the field. You don't have to pick them. Just let them fall back into the soil, and as they're broken down, they actually add to the overall health of the soil. So for next year, when you're planting, your corn actually grow up to be this tall instead of just growing up to here. So this is what usually a full mushroom looks like. You don't have to do anything special for them. You can actually just rough chop them like this. And then, like how I was doing before, just push it up like this. So there's many different ways you can cook this. Toss it in as you go. Okay, and then just give it a good mix. All right, I need a volunteer really quick, and then rinse them as well. There you go. Now, I'm using two beans, kidney beans and black beans, just because they actually offer a lot more taste together. And another thing too, when you're doing beans, cooking the beans, you want to add it towards the end. because if you leave it in too long, you're gonna dry it out. It's gonna become more like a fried rice. Oh, not fried rice, fried beans in a way. Right. Come to think of it now, this might be enough for everybody. Corn. Nice little sip for a few more minutes and it should be ready. Okay. All right. There you go.
Hi, my name is Jeremiah Tully. I go to South Sevier High School at Monroe, Utah, and it's good.
My name is Keaton Harvey, and I go to Rock Point, and the meal is good.
Hi, my name is Tara Wagner. I'm from Round Rock, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, my name is Cam Woody. I'm from Round Rock, and I think the food was really good.
Hi, my name is Herein Johnson. I'm from Round Rock, and the food was 10 out of 10.
Hi, my name is Keon. I'm from Round Rock, and the food was really good. Yep.
Hi, my name is Madeline Mora. I go to school at Navajo Prep, and the food was pretty good.
Good afternoon. My name is Justin. I am the nutritionist for Chinle Service Unit, and I just demonstrated how to make a vegetarian protein bowl. So hopefully you can try the recipe out yourself.
Hi, my name is Shailene Sheehy. I go to school at Winter Rock High School, and I think this meal is pretty healthy and really good at the same time.